wake peke yake.
Waduogo e chuny boma ma Nairobi, chenro mag ohala osekuduogo wang'e e kadak ma South Sea ndalo machuok tok orofa ni rumbore piny kendo kelo tho ma ji ariyo. Johala osetimo matek mar duoko chenro magi wang'e ka gikedo kod midhiero manokel kod masirano. Kata obedo ni thoth dukni oyaw, mamoko pod olor ka wegi wacho ni ruombruok mar odno ne okelnegi lal mathoth kendo rocho chenro magi. Thothgi wacho ni gibedo gi thuolo mar chopo e duknigi ndalo adek tok masirano, ka moko kuomgi ne okawo thuolo mar ne turo kendo kwalo mwandugi.
Roads have been closed in this section of the city for the past 7 days. Businesses have suffered great losses. This is South Sea Shopping Center. It's a key shopping center for the community that lives and resides in South Sea. But we're happy to report today that majority of the debris has been cleared, the roads have opened, business and life has resumed to normalcy.
Still we are not calculate what is the figure of how much is that, but also there from inside stolen a cash, stolen also our goods, more than 7 million approximately, but we did not figure out still today. So kindly I request to government, they support to us, they talk with building owner to clear up this everything, so we will continue our business.
To the families affected by the recent building collapse, we stand with them during this painful time and call for justice, accountability and support for all those who are impacted. To our association members who suffered immense losses, be it through theft, business closure and blocked roads, we stand together as we look for ways to compensate and avoid such incidents in future.